Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Momma Soul Kitchen. Today, we are on vacation this whole week, everybody. We're so sorry we haven't been able to post anything, but we have our cookbooks available on Amazon.com. We went through the airport. Look at my grandson-in-law. He was so excited to hurry up and get to our plane. Look at Hawaiian Airlines right there. Unfortunately, we had to cancel our Hawaiian trip. We was going to go to Maui, Lahaina, and all that. All horrible stuff happened. But look at that line of people that was going to Lahaina, that was going over there to Maui. But bless their heart. Anyway, but we was going to Disneyland. We was going to keep it safe and stay here in California. Look at my granddaughter-in-law. She's so excited about her little glowing hat. She's just so ready. Thank you, grandson-in-law, for making the lights on her hat. She's just so happy. That was her 50th anniversary hat. Now, we were at the airport and we took El Cheapo Spirit Airlines, everybody. We couldn't help that. The tickets were like $28 round trip, everybody. Yes, but they catch you on your luggage because they charge you like $48 for luggage. And the flight was very cramped and everything. And luckily, we were actually sitting right behind first class, but it wasn't first class. Look at the airplane coming in. We sped that up for y'all. I just love watching airplanes land. But we sat by first class, but it's not really first class because the seats were just a little bit bigger, but they wasn't really first class. But we're sitting by there, but we were so cramped. Anyway, here we are. We ready for takeoff. We're excited. We're going to have this trip that's going to do what we want to do. It's only 55 minutes of crampedness, and that's okay. But anyway, the flight was just so beautiful. It was a really nice, smooth flight, and that's all we could do is just think about all the good things we're going to be bringing here to Momma Soul Kitchen soon. Thinking about definitely all these unique recipes that's going to be I don't know. You just think about all kinds of things. When you see this kind of horizon, it makes you want to think about it. Now, look how cramped it was. Here's our armrest, a little teeny armrest. And then, look at the knees. The knees is right there at the seat. The seats do not even recline, everybody. That's first class right there. Anyway, but look at this. Look at this right here. The tray was big enough for a cup of ice, everybody. Let me tell you, they charge you for water, they charge you for coffee, they charge you for snacks, peanuts, whatever. They charge you for everything on this flight. That's probably why it's so cheap. And look at that. We had complimentary ice cubes that last us all the way to quench our thirst, all the way to LAX. Now, look at that beautiful sight right there. I started thinking about all kinds of things I can create when I come on back to share with my granddaughter-in-law and her husband as well. Now, look at this. Here's the flight. Just look at the horizon. Just makes you want to just be relaxing. Just come up with so many unique things, right? You feel me? You feel me? Okay, how about some fried bell peppers? Look at that. Okay, now we're coming down. We're descending into LA area. Look at LA. Beautiful LA. We just love you. Your heart. Everybody in LA, we love you, okay? We went to the Raiders game the next day. You guys stay tuned for the next posting of more vacation with Momma Soul Kitchen and Cooking with Granny. Coming soon, everybody. Follow us on YouTube. We have a lot more to share. Coming soon, everybody.